Welcome back to Cryptogains for another video. I want to show you what I see in the Bitcoin price chart, which could obviously affect the altcoins as well. If it sounds interesting, drop that like, give me a subscribe. This is not financial advice. Before I get there, actually real quick, I want to talk about this chart here, which is important. This is the 3-day moving averages. We've got the 100 3-day moving average, and we've got the 200 3-day moving average. We're going to talk about that. I'm going to show you what's going on over here with the Goslan channel, right? And then most importantly, I want to show you the last one, which is the Keltner channel, right? So let's talk about this. Before I go there, I shared a video a few days back, which is this one here. You can see here, right? Bull market over? Question mark. Is it over? You know, because we saw a massive crash. It was all around. You saw that. If you haven't seen this video, go check it out. It's a powerful video. Highly recommend you check it out. But let's just play a small clip to what I was saying in that video, just to catch you up on what I think should be going, what I felt like was going to happen. What am I doing right now? I'm waiting for this rally. I'm waiting for this next rally to come back up. Where is that chart? Because I think once breaking this green line, we may see a move up, right? And the move up might be designed by smart money to excite the market to think that we're going to continue to go up. And once you see this move up of excitement to let you think it's going higher, that's when it could roll over and come tumbling down. Check it out, right? Watch the full thing. I think is important. So far, it's been playing to the T when it comes to the 3-day moving averages. We fell below this green line. And for those that are new, we've never seen the price of Bitcoin break this green line in a bull market. And if we look at the past, let's have a look at the past bull markets. See here, look, when we come out of the C19, price action goes above the green. Look at the candles. All the candles are above the green line. And it's always held true of every cycle. Look at the last cycle. I'll bring it right down and make it clear. This was your 2016, 2017's bull rally. I put the smiley face because we did see a massive crash. But look, that crash came down to this green line, and then the wick got bought up, and it all remained above this green line. We never saw the price break. Right, so you know, this time round, and obviously the shocking faces for when it does break the green line. This time round, we did see a small sign of weakness, which was the piercing of this green line. But it did what it said I thought it'd do in the video. It got bought up. We saw a wick, and this is where we are today. Right, so you know, what does this mean? Is it bullish? Is it bearish? Many people would like to believe this is a positive thing. It can be. I mean, I still feel like I want to see Bitcoin reach certain levels, but this is a good start. For me, I think it is, because we have come back above this green line. We've held support on the green line, meaning the 3 days after that, over the last 3 days, we didn't see it fall back down and crash back down. We saw it hold above, and you know, we're on our way back up. So yeah, we have got this wick, and this is the first time I've seen this where, you know, in a bull market, because again, we don't see it happen. What's this yellow line up here? This is the top of the market, or the Bitcoin's highest price. It's never ever been higher than this. So essentially, many people are hoping for Bitcoin to expand and go up and see new all-time highs, 100K, 200K, all the things you hear people say. And actually, it's not that far off. What we're talking for Bitcoin to make a new all-time high, we're talking go up maybe 20%. That's a new all-time high, right? Something like that. So it's not far off from that. It looks so close. But what I was saying in that video, and it's important, is that if smart money is distributing its big money through this whole section here, which is why you see it when it comes up to here, it sells off, massive sell off. It comes up to here, massive sell off. Came up to here, massive sell off. If it's distributing, then there could be a slight chance that this could be the top of the cycle right here. Now, I don't want that. I want Bitcoin to go crazy so all the altcoins can go crazy. I can continue to make millions. And it's just that simple. But the reality is, and we have to focus on the reality, if this comes back up to here, people get excited. We see it come back up to like the 70,000 level, and then smart money could take profits again. And then this is where they're distributing all of their funds onto you, so it rolls back over and then comes back down and then eventually falls down. So that there is still a possibility, and I really want to open your mind to that. But it is good news. I can't say it's all bad news. This is a good look so far for Bitcoin if it can stay above this green line. Right, let's take a quick look over here. So we got the Goslan channel. The only time you entered this Goslan channel after a bull cycle is when it's been a bear market and then prices come tumbling down. Once you see the first green candle, which I've highlighted here, well, I can make this smaller. Once you see the first green candle enter, and then that's the sign of it, you know, I suppose two candles, if you like. We saw it enter. Once you see a closing candle inside, that's the sign that you're in a bear market. Things are going to get ugly, because when you enter this Goslan channel, you come out at the other end. And when you enter out of it from the other end, you're falling about 40 to 50%. Look at this massive drop. That was 52%. Can you see it? Can I like bring it down? About 52% right here. Right, happens all the time. Look at the best. Look at the cycles. Look, bull market and bear market. So we've had a massive rally up. We come tumbling down. We enter the Goslan channel. Once we enter it, that's it. We're coming through the other end, and we're going to fall at least 40 to 50%. And that was that drop right there, almost 40%. Right, maybe it was. So yeah. I don't want to see us come into this. So this is another good sign. We've held strength. And actually this candle looks kind of, with the way it is, if it can stay like this is on the weekly time frame with the Goslan channel. If it can stay like this is good, because it shows a lot of buy momentum, buy power, which is why this wick is right up, right? So we'll have to see if this can keep holding its momentum and not enter the Goslan channel. Remember, this Goslan channel is moving upwards every single week as well. So we have to make sure we remain out of it. Let's take a look at this. This is the counter channel. This for me is the most important chart of them all right now. Why? Because this speaks of a trend reversal. And sometimes people can't see the trend reversal until it's too late, when it's already crashed another 50, 60%, 70%. Now, whilst this looks great, it's above the green line, great. This is the mother of all charts that people need to pay attention to, because we are still underneath this middle line. So the counter channel looks for trends. You've got two blue lines and you've got a yellow line, which is in the middle. Whenever we've been in a bull cycle, let me just go back to like the best example is 2017, because that was an amazing rally. Look at this. Whenever we've been in a bull cycle, we've always broke above this yellow line, and we bounce between the top blue line and the yellow and the middle yellow line. Look, like this, up, down. Look, we just bounce in between. Look, we have a massive rally up, and then we cool off, we come down here. We may experience wicks where there is sell pressure and it falls down, but the body of the candle always remains above, and then it goes on another massive rally again. Let you see it, right? It comes up, down, up, down. It just keeps bouncing in between these. It never ever breaks this middle line with body candles, this yellow line. It never breaks the yellow line. Look at it, even there's support here. Never breaks the yellow line unless it's in a bear market and it's confirming that, you know, the cycle's over. It's a bear market now. Look, comes straight down, got candles underneath, and all of a sudden the trend's reversed, and people can't see it till it's too late. This is why this counter channel is powerful, and it's really powerful to watch, because once it breaks below, can't come above again. Look, rejected, tries to break above, rejected, tries to break above, rejected, and it stays underneath this yellow line until eventually just tank, right? So I'm looking at this because the question I'm asking myself is, if we have seen the top, are we somewhere here? And if we are, no matter how hard we try, because, you know, look, we've just broke the yellow line, we've come down, we broke the yellow line, we're now trying to come back above this green candle right here. Let's try to pierce above. We do get a little green, but it falls back down. Are we now here? Because when you look at where we are right now, and it's really important to, you know, study these things. Look, we got a green candle underneath and it's trying to break above. If it can't break above, then this is what I'm going to expect. Maybe it will come above, and then, you know, a week later come back down, and then come above again, and then but what it's going to do is it's just going to do this and then keep tumbling down. You see, or not exactly like that, but yeah, that's what I'm thinking. So we have to study this. We have to watch this carefully and make sure that we can see the signs before it happens. And I'm thinking about this right here. You know, I want to see the price of Bitcoin come above. Done the wrong thing. Hold on. I want to see it come above this price right here, which is the yellow line, which is roughly about $62,000. If Bitcoin can go above $62,000 and stay above, and it actually coincides with this, is come above, remain above. Well, not this one. Hold on, let me find it. I haven't got it on here. I thought I had it on here. Well, we want to see it remain above this yellow line, which right now is about $62,000. If it can, let's call it 63. If it can stay above 63, I think I said that in the last video, then I think we could be bullish. We can continue the bull trend, right? This was the second candle that we had underneath this line. Look, so actually this here could be a fine example of what I'm saying to you. Like, we've already had a weak signal here in the last one, the red. Look, that red came underneath, came above, tried to hold above, it couldn't, it fell back down. And just similar to what we're seeing here with this action here, this price action. Well, you can use this as well if you like, but where is it? It just looks familiar here, where we had a candle down, we came back above, coming down. Can we be in a similar thing? Has the trend reversed? We're gonna find that in the next sort of week or two, because it's a weekly time frame. So over the next week, I would like to see Bitcoin's price come above, and by next week, see green candles stay above 63,000. It has to be there. If it doesn't, then we'll take it from there. So I'm gonna leave it here. Was this helpful? Drop that like, give me a subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. You can become a patron if you like. The link is in the info section. Highly recommend you come check it out. I have 7 tiers. Take your pick. I recommend my exclusive VIP partner tier. It's my most popular tier at the moment in this time. If you can't afford it, come over, check it out. And if you want that little bit more, I have a CEO tier. Gives you access to the VIP Telegram group. It's a powerful group. You're alerted to many different projects. A lot of the time people are buying before I buy. You're super alerted, right? You get the chance to mingle with millionaires, smart investors in the group that understand trends. Do not miss out. You need to have a good strategy, and these guys are here to help, and everyone's friendly, yeah? So come check it out. See you in the next video. Cheers.